In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change business name in HoneyBook, Updated Guide 2026. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to honeybook.com. Click Login and enter your account credentials. If you're prompted for a verification code or any other security check, complete that to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the central hub for projects, tasks, and recent activity. To make the update, look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation throughout HoneyBook. Scroll through that panel and click Settings. This opens the area where you manage your account and workspace details. Inside Settings, select Company. This section houses the information that represents your business within HoneyBook. Next, choose Company Brand. Here you'll see your brand elements, including the business name that appears to clients on proposals, invoices, emails, and within the client portal. To change the name, hover over the current business name and click the pencil icon to edit. Type the new business name exactly as you want it displayed. Check capitalization, spacing, and spelling. Then press Enter to apply the change. HoneyBook saves this immediately and uses the updated name across your brand materials moving forward. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, confirm you're in the correct one before editing. If your legal business name is different from your client-facing brand name, use the client-facing name here and keep legal details in their designated sections. After updating, take a moment to preview a proposal or invoice template to make sure the new name appears as expected. If you don't see the change right away, refresh your browser or sign out and back in to resync the view. This update does not alter your logo or brand colors, so there's no need to redo your visual assets unless you want to refresh them separately. You can come back to the same spot anytime to make additional tweaks as your brand evolves. It's also a good idea to let your team know about the change so everyone uses consistent naming in messages and templates. And that's it. Go to honeybook.com, log in, land on your dashboard, use the left navigation to open settings. Select Company, then Company Brand. Click the pencil next to your business name, type the new name, and press Enter. Your HoneyBook workspace will immediately reflect your updated brand name across client-facing materials. Thanks for watching, and keep this guide handy for the next time your brand gets a refresh.